Current students and teachers from Penn Brook, Penndale, and Penfield gathered at North Penn High School for the annual Thespian Middle School workshops. The event began with music from the members of CMT, followed by a tour of North Penn High School and an opening ceremony skit put on by the high schoolers.
It's Friday night and we're here at North Penn High School and we've been having a wonderful evening of middle school workshops. They get to go to 3 different workshops that are taught by members of our thespian troupe, pizza dinner, some cake, and then back to the auditorium for some performances from the workshops as well as high school performers, and then a question and answer session.
The workshops included musical theater, costume design, getting into character, audition tips, and improv, all run by Thespian Troupe 5464.
I think it's important to have the middle school workshops every year and keep this tradition that we have upheld to really just kind of show the younger kids that it's not scary and it kind of just helps you grow.
Middle schoolers got to interact with each other at dinner, sharing pizza and cake, during which I spoke to Pembroke English teachers Kip McDalius, who shared his opinion on having these workshops.
This whole night teaches them not only about theater, but also the value of theater. They can all come together here. I'm glad that this has been going on for such a long time, and I'd love to see it keep going. And I'm looking forward to coming again. This is my first time ever attending one of these, and it's been so much fun already, even for me, and I'm an adult chaperone.
To end the event, participants from each workshop got to show off what they learned, watch a drill performance by JROTC, and both parents and middle schoolers got their questions answered in a Q&A session led by Mrs. Roney and the high schoolers. Reporting for North Penn News, I'm Quira Crosby.